Hi guys, welcome back to tcnxty. This is Adnaan. I'm back with another video. So guys, in today's video we are going to fix a really uh, what annoying problem in your laptop or PC. That is, your audio suddenly goes off while you're playing something, and the this thing issue can be fixed. And you can just go ahead and check out your sound settings. There might be two speakers or one speaker driver installed, and then first things first, I'll give you three simple steps or three different ways of fixing this. First thing is going on to the settings of these speakers, more volume settings, and then over here you can choose the speaker you want to adjust and then go here and click don't allow